If you want to troubleshoot your heating system like a pro, understanding HVAC Delta T is the game changer you've got to know. So, Delta T is basically the temperature difference between your supply air and your return air in heating mode. To use it right, start by turning your heating system on and let it run for about 5 minutes so everything stabilizes. Then grab your thermometer or temperature sensor and measure the return air temperature coming back to the unit and the supply air temperature going out. Subtract the return temp from the supply temp. That number is your Delta T. Ideally, this difference should stay steady while the system runs. If it keeps climbing, that's a red flag. A steady Delta T means your heater is transferring heat efficiently, but if it's rising non-stop, it could point to airflow problems or a dirty filter. Also, keep in mind typical heating Delta T values hover around 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit depending on your system type. Checking this regularly helps catch issues early before a breakdown hits. One of the biggest mistakes people make when using HVAC Delta T in heating mode is not waiting long enough for the system to stabilize before measuring. Jumping in too soon gives you inaccurate readings. Another common issue is ignoring airflow restrictions like clogged filters or blocked vents, which mess with your Delta T and make your heater work harder. Lastly, some folks overlook checking both supply and return temps separately, which can hide problems like sensor malfunctions or duct leaks. Fix these by always letting the system run at least 5 minutes before measuring, replacing or cleaning filters often, and double-checking your temperature sensors for accuracy. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess around. Plus, for contractors looking to score more jobs, it's a great platform to showcase skills and build a solid client base without the usual hassle.